our maintenance program, you can get it for $14.95 a month. Okay, so it's $14.95 a month, includes the spring maintenance for your air conditioner, includes the fall maintenance for your air conditioning, and a once a year water heater flush plumbing inspection. We have that in there. So we have a plumbing division that'll come out, and they actually are professionals in the plumbing area and will take care of your plumbing side. That's included in your $14.95 a month maintenance plan. Or if you want to go annually, it's $185 to sign up annually for that maintenance plan. So your refrigerant lines that go from your outside unit and carry that refrigerant back in and carry that refrigerant that's now collected all that heat back out. You want to make sure that those are in good shape. We put some insulation around it because when the system actually removes that heat and then changes the temperature of your refrigerant using your compressors and your thermal expansion valves, it drops that temperature, and we want to keep those refrigerant lines cold when they go inside. So those things, the old time AC guys used to call it beer can cold. They would put their hand on it, and if it was cold, it was good. We actually use gauges now where we're going to hook up and check those refrigerant levels to make sure that those refrigerant levels are set properly. So too cold, not good. Too hot, not good. They have to be right where they're supposed to be. And we make sure that their refrigerant levels are perfect. So we check the inside area of your home too. So there's not only your furnace there or your air handler, there's also the coil. That's the inside portion of your air conditioner system. And that's where the refrigerant lines actually go and air flows through it in order to cool that air down or collect the heat out of that air. So as the air flows through, the refrigerant lines go through there. They're cold. They cool down your air. And when they do that, they collect that heat. But the heat turns into water vapor that'll actually drip off of that coil. So your air conditioner system's producing water because it's collecting the heat from the air. That water needs to drain out of your house. And with that water draining out of your house, we have condensate lines that lead to the outside of your home. We want to make sure that those lines are flush. So we'll check to make sure that your coil is clean and those condensate lines are flushed and clean so the water can freely flow through that all summer long without creating problems.